What's up mga ka-Ridens? Good day to all of you. And today, ibablog natin itong product na ito. Cordless pressure washer. It is rechargeable with 20 volts. This battery has enough power to clean your bike after the ride. These are the components: the main gun, the hose, and all the accessories you need to clean your bike. And not just your bike. You can also use it for car washing, cleaning the floor outside your house and everything. So let's see what's inside. First, as you open the box, you will see the main part, the water gun. I don't know what it's called. So ito po ay naka-plastic pa, bagong-bago. I like the aesthetic design. Madali siyang hawakan. And the other parts are, of course, the manual that nobody reads. So I thought of, why not do some product review about this product to help out those riders or other people naghahanap ng convenience to clean their bike, their car, or any other thing that doesn't really need a power source. So cordless is the solution. Alright. Okay, ito ang kanyang battery. Ito ang kanyang hose na nilalagay sa harapan. Madali lang siyang ilagay. So pagpasok mo, mag-click and then you just need to turn it clockwise. Ang ganda po ng dating, para siyang barrel, sniper. So to remove it, just need to press again and pa-counterclockwise naman yung pag-remove. So ito naman ang small part at ang kanyang hose. Ito po ilalagyanan ng sabon. And I don't think I will be using this. We'll see. And other accessories for this. I really don't know what's the use, but we will find out later on. So itong kanyang battery, usually it is half loaded. So a standard procedure, you need to make it full charge before using. So i-charge natin to mamaya and then we'll try kung gagana ito. Hopefully maganda ang labas ng tubig. So we'll see. So this is the battery and the charger and ready to go for charging. Alright. So now we'll try to find out how to attach the hose to the gun. So let's look into the manual. Okay, so it's very simple. You see those two orange cup inside the plastic? Basically, you need to attach it both ends of the hose, and we will just simply connect it at this bottom receiver of the gun. Simple as that. See? So, okay, so I will show you how to install this connector, and it's very simple. I know at first it's kind of confusing, but I know the moment you have this product in front of you, you will easily figure it out. Let's go. So I'm attaching now the connector to the receiver by just pushing it, and it's click, and this is how it looks with the battery on it. Voila, it's good. Let's go. And by the way, do not forget your water container. This one I bought at Carrefour for around 30 dirhams. Let's go. Okay mga ka-Ridens, so this is the actual test of this water pressure, and I hope it will work. Sulit. Madali ko to sa Carrefour. Okay, so the water pressure is not strong enough to damage the paint. So those who worry na baka masira yung paint, don't worry. Tinas ko po ito sa aking balat at hindi po siya ganun kalakas. Nalo. Para pagdating sa bahay, linis na. Okay. Okay, so it works during that time and I hope it will continue working like that after my ride. I would rate this product 7 out of 10. It's mainly because during my first trial at home, the water was not coming out properly. Kala ko sira. Binalik ko pa siya sa Carrefour, so the staff explained it happens during the first use. So what they did, they attached the end of the hose on the faucet para yung water ay magkusang pumunta muna sa machine and then the machine will get used to it. So it works after that. So you can dip it on any water container after, so the machine will be able to suck it. So that's the only catch on this product. Of course, because of the price, it comes like that. Okay mga ka-Denz, so this is the end of the video. I hope nakatulong ako kahit papano if you're looking for a cordless pressure washer. And if you like this video, please click the button and subscribe and share to help those others na naghahanap din ng gantong klaseng product at para makatulong po tayo. Maraming salamat po. Thank you and God bless. Ride safe, ride with Denz.
Bajak!